Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dharma Foundation. Today in this video I am going to explain you the chemical composition and layering of earth system. So if you go to the earth in depth we'll come across three layers. One is outer layer is crust, and in the middle layer it is mantle. So and the innermost layer is core. So this is how we can divide the inner layers of the earth system. Next, in the first layer is of crust, right? So this crust thickness is 30 up to 30 kilometers, and density is about outer layer density is 2.8 per centimeter cube, and inner crust density is 3 per centimeter cube. Next, coming to the chemical composition, outer layer is made up of sedimentary rocks with lower density. So this means density increases with going depth of the earth. Next, inner crust is made up of Cl. Cl abbreviation. Cl, in the Cl, Si stands for silica, and Al stands for aluminum. And average density of this Cl is 2.9 per centimeter cube, and thickness varies from 50 km to 300 kilometers. Next, most of the continents have been formed by this layer. Most of the continents are formed in the crust layer only, and this dominated by acidic materials. So after crust we will face this Maho discontinuity. Maho discontinuity is between the boundary line between lower crust and mantle. So this boundary we can call as Maho discontinuity. After this Maho discontinuity, we will get the mantle portion. Mantle portion we can divide into two parts. One is outer mantle, another one is lower mantle. Outer mantle is from Maho discontinuity to 2000 kilometers, and this lower mantle is from 1000 kilometers to 2900 kilometers. So this is how we can divide in mantle, and this mantle portion is composed of SEMA. In the SEMA, Si stands for silica and Ma stands for magnesium, and average density of this SEMA is from 2.9 to 4.7 set per centimeter cube. Next, and thickness is from 1000 kilometers to 2000 kilometers, and this most of the SEMA is dominated by basic materials, and it is composed of basalt and a source of lava, magma during volcanic eruptions. So after this volcanic eruptions, volcanic rocks are formed on the earth surface, and best suitable example is Deccan Plate. Deccan Plate is made up of volcanic materials. Next, after this mantle, there is a Richard-Gutenberg discontinuity. This discontinuity is from mantle to core. This discontinuity forms the boundary between mantle and core, and here density changes from 3.59 to 10.9 per centimeter cube, and here density further increases by depth of the core. That means in the inner portion of the earth, while moving to depth, we can face density will be increasing. Next, in the core portion, third layer is core. Core is divided into two parts. One is outer core, another one is inner core. In the outer core, thickness is from 2900 kilometers to 5150 kilometers. And this outer core is mostly in molten state only. And here S waves disappears here. S wave, we can divide earthquake waves in two types, right? One is S type wave, another one is P type wave. So here S wave don't go to the outer core. Next, inner core portion is from 5150 to 6371 kilometers, and this inner core is mostly in solid state only. Next, coming to the chemical composition, this core portion is made up of knife. In the knife, Ni stands for nickel, and Fe stands for ferrum. Ferrum means iron. Here density is 11 per centimeter cube. Next, diameter is 6800 kilometers. This core diameter is about 6800 kilometers. So this is how we can divide its interior system based on this layer and with chemical composition. So this is, friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share to your friends, and keep watching me for next video. Thank you. Until then, take care. Bye bye.